Welcome back, everybody. Well, we're off to go and get some tints done on the new Patrol today. So I'll run you through the process and show you the before and after of the vehicle. Check this out, everybody. We've just gotten our Patrol back after getting our tints done. They look amazing. Can highly recommend these people. Great tinner car in Cairns and Darwin. Did a fantastic job. Make sure to remember to keep your windows up for 48 hours. A big thank you to Rob and Steve. We're not sponsored by Tintercar in any way. I am just highly recommending their product. I'm very impressed with the work that they've done on my car. So I recommend you guys to catch up with them in Cairns and Darwin and get your car tinted. Fantastic job they've done.